2021 has come to a close. So we're going to go through the dividends I received in December and what I received in dividends throughout the entire year of 2021. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more from me, and you don't want to miss a video, then go down and subscribe to the channel. And while you're down there, give it a like as well, because it really helps out the channel, get more exposure, pushes it out there so more people get to see it, get to see the beauty of dividend investing. We're going to go through all of December's dividends today. It's going to be a really quick video, and then we're going to go through all the dividends I've received so far this year. We'll have a look at an average amount I receive each month. We'll have a look at that compared to last year as well and how that's grown. And I've been focusing my investing strategy more on income related funds, stocks, BDCs as well recently. So hopefully going into 2022, that should continue to grow as well. And I should be getting more and more on a monthly basis, quite consistently, with a lot of these being monthly payers as well, being income funds. Let's go straight into the portfolio and have a look at what I received in December 1st. Then we'll go into how I record them. Super simple, how much I received on average and in total throughout the year. Thursday today, you lose track of days throughout Christmas. So I'm in the portfolio. We're going to go and show you the dividends that I received from the portfolio. Now the portfolio is looking slimmer than it was. Needed the money. Not going to go into details, but my portfolio is now hovering at circa 60,000. History, full history, and it takes you to this screen in IG, which is my broker. We're going to go custom period, and we're going to go the 1st to the 31st. I may receive a dividend on the 31st. Who knows? If I do, it'll be minimal. It will only bump my amount up a tiny little bit. Set that into dividend, show history. These are them. As always, oh, my face is probably going to be in the way again. Hold on. Ta-da. Right, so as always, again, these are the dividends. 15 dividends in total, although I had one that clawed itself back. Haven't worked out entirely why yet. I think because I sold out of that position, or possibly I don't know. Anyway, right, in date order, so right at the beginning of the month, I'm not going to keep going through, this is the very beginning, I'm not going to go through the dates, but it is just in date order. We have Octagon Floating Rate and Alternative Income Term Trust, which is an income fund, and they paid £14.25. We've then got PIMCO Corporate and Income Opportunity Fund. Again, they are a monthly payer, just like Octane, I think, Octagon are, and they paid £22.96. That is on the increase because I'm constantly drip feeding into PIMCO because they're a monthly payer, and that's just 23 quid on a monthly basis, just knowing that it's dropping into your bank account. It's just nice. Right, this is why that dividend payment got reversed. So Milan, which was a subsidiary company of Pfizer, I believe, of some description, you got gifted a certain amount of Milan shares if you own Pfizer positions. So that was a nice little bonus back then, and then I've sold out of them since, I think, to put the money elsewhere. So £16.45, which was then reversed, but we'll go through that in a sec. AGNC, monthly payer, that's going up, £19.22. That was around 15-16 quid before, and that is a monthly payer. So again, just a nice amount of money coming in on a monthly basis. ExxonMobil Corporation, £9.58 from them. Next page. So that's the one that was reversed. Milan went back. Pfizer, £16.41. Nice drop. Global X Super Dividend REIT ETF dividend, that is a monthly payer. Again, I think £7.01. Viatris, 49p. 49p. See, you can't, we're getting these 20 quid here and there, but you can't knock off 49p. You can do a lot with 49p. No, you can't do a lot with 49p. I bought some hummus today. It was discounted in Waitrose and it was 69p. You 49p, you're 20p off a pot of discounted hummus in Waitrose, and Viatris have paid for that. Viatris paid for my hummus, nearly paid for my hummus. All I need now is 35p, 50p, something like that from someone else, and I've got some pita bread and hummus. That's a nice snack. I'll sometimes have that for dinner because I'm incredibly lazy. Royalty Income Corporation, everyone knows that. It's a REIT, it's a monthly payer, it's a very nice company. It's been paying for a very long time and it paid me £6.28. Then we have a plethora, good word, plethora of Vanguard ETF drop. We have Vanguard International High Dividend Yield ETF, £8.52. We have Vanguard S&P 500 dividend, that came in at £21.23 VOO. We have VTI, which is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index, £10.78. And then we have Vanguard REIT ETF. That came in at £12.55. These ETFs are just fantastic just to drip feed your money into, and the S&P 500 this year has returned circa 27%. 27%. Anyway, I digress. And one of the last ones that came in was Ayers Capital Corporation, and they paid me £24.43. I'm not going to do the maths for you here and now. Here we are on my dividend page, payment page, super simple, as always, as you know. So total for December was £173.71. So again, if I get paid anything tomorrow, I don't know what I'm expecting. I don't track things meticulously. But if I do get paid something, it'll be a relatively small amount. I imagine it might bump me up to £180 for the month, which is a very nice amount. Now, the important bit, first of all, the graph's doing the right thing. It's going in the right direction. I properly started investing in January 2020. Well, February, March, really 2020. Or I'm lying to you. Latter part of 2019. In fact, let's go through the whole lot. 2019, in total, I got paid £251 in dividends. Average amount was just shy of £21. 21 quid a month is still not bad. In 2020, I got paid a total of £1,287, which is an average of £107 a month in dividends, which is a really tasty amount of money. Fast forward to 2021, and I have £2,073 in total, just in dividends, just for holding positions, just for owning stock. I have that sum of money. Now, 2021 was also a very good year in terms of returns. I can't tell you exactly what my portfolio returned because I've taken some out of it, and I'm not even sure if there's a function for that on IG, but it really doesn't matter to me. That's not what I'm in it for, and I don't record those sort of things. I just record the amount of dividends I'm receiving each month. As I said, the S&P 500 returned 27%, so I had at least 6 or 7 grand in that at the beginning of the year, and it ended up being vastly more than that when I ended up selling out. So the return in total has been fantastic, but £2,000 of that, don't forget this is pounds, not dollars. Dollars, you'd be looking at 2,700, 2,008. That's just for holding the positions and doing absolutely nothing. So in total, I've had 3,600. Keep going the way I am, and that'll be probably 6,000 by the end of next year, just in dividend payments from doing absolutely nothing. So that's what the year's bought. I'm now going to need to create another load of formulas and whatnot to add in 2022, and I'm very excited about it. So income investing next year, lots of lovely income, get those monthly dividends up to 200 and beyond each month. Ideally, lovely if I can get up to that 225 to 250 level, which will be a challenge because I'm having to sell out of a bit more of my portfolio. Again, reasons I'm not gonna go into in a video, but that will set me back just a smidge. But not a problem at all. We'll just keep investing, keep plowing into the markets, and it's time in the market, not time in the market. Keep dollar cost averaging, keep paying into those income funds and BDCs and high yielding ETFs and CEFs, and we'll just keep going, That's it. So that's it, super boring, but really good to be able to show you guys kind of how it's growing and how the monthly income is going up, and that will continue to do so next year and the year after, and I'll continue to do these videos. So subscribe to the channel, and then you won't miss a video, and you'll see all the updates I do on a monthly basis and how the dividend portfolio grows and grows, and what I'm spending my money on as well. What positions I'm going into, what income funds, what BDCs, how much they pay, what that will mean to my overall monthly income. All bits and pieces like that. We'll go through the whole lot in the videos throughout 2022. So that'll pretty much wrap up my last video for 2021. It's been a good year. Lots has been happening, lots gone on. Work's been really good. Had a huge break from YouTube in the middle, so that's not going that well at the moment in terms of my numbers. So make sure you give this video a like to push it out there, get the numbers up. But I moved house, work's good, the portfolio's good, and there's a few other things on the horizon for me as well. So it's all looking pretty good going into 2022. Really looking forward to it, and we'll see what the year brings. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for just watching a tiny bit of a single video maybe. You didn't like it and you switched off, doesn't matter. It all helps. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the other side. See you later.